Hey everybody, it's Mark here. I'm doing another video. I haven't done one in a few weeks since I was working in Dalton, Georgia. So I'm here in Augusta, Georgia doing some work. And as you can see, my bag and stuff behind me. It's about 3:15 in the morning. And I thought I'd do a little review of a knife. I did one a while back on a Darson forge. I know the owner and I like him. And we're friends, and he presented something new to me today, and I want to bring it forward to you guys. It's a Darson Forge mirror polish series that he's come out with. It's a really nice knife, 440 steel, 440C stainless steel mirror polish blade. All right, I'm going to bring out the box to show you the box it comes in. See, nice little box. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Put some stuff off to the side here. All right, nice little presentation box. I'm gonna go and pull it out. Actual cowhide. All right. I like this knife. I'm gonna be honest with you. I saw this knife on the table today when he was setting up, and I really fell in love with it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. Look at this thing. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'll show you a few things on this thing. Chamfered edges, okay? A lot of people don't know what that is. Look at this. That's all rounded right there. You don't see that too often, okay? It's razor sharp. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. It comes with paracord. You could make this on your own right here to put it on the back. So you have to put it on yourself. Genuine cowhide sheath, like I said, with a belt clip and a padded gift box. Economically priced, I'm gonna be honest with you, when I talked to Saf today, $75. That's a great deal. Beautiful, beautiful piece, okay? Micarta scales, they're 3D CNC process. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna show you the edge. He did a great job on this thing. I'm gonna want one of these. He only had 2 in stock for the show. Yeah, look, I got a little dirt on it, and I'll get that dirt off. All right, let me show you something real quick. I did this earlier today, and I wanted to do it on video. Okay, watch this. Look at this thing. That is razor sharp. Look at this. You don't have to hold the paper. All right, just thought I'd show you that. Like I said, Darson Forge, new knife he just came out with. He's only got 2 in stock. They're $75. Look at that. I'm gonna upload this knife on my Mark the Military and Rifle channel for review. It's a beautiful piece. I'm gonna show you something. If you want to get in touch with him, there you go. www.darsonforge.com. Darson Forge. There you go. I'm going to go over this one more time so you know. .440C stainless steel mirror polished blade, chamfered edges, 3D CNC processed, micarta scales, razor sharp blade. You saw that comes with paracord. You can make your own lanyard for it. Genuine cowhide sheath, belt clip, comes in a padded gift box. $75, great price. Darson Forge, it's part of the mirror polish series. He does have a copper series too, which is going to come out with copper inlay, and he's going to have a Damascus series also with VG10 steel series. And VG10 steel is very good steel. I'm excited to see that. So when we get that, we'll see if he'll go and give us one to check it out and do another review. If you just visit the link below, well, I don't have it on here, I'll be honest with you, darsonforge.com. look under the Fix series and you'll find a knife. All right? Okay, guys, have a great one, and I appreciate you letting me show you this video.